Mr. Caden has been playing with his tongue, and he's very talkative tonight. What? Hey. Oh, now he's gonna cry, huh? Hi, bud. Hi, Caden. Hi. What's with the tongue? What's with that tongue? What? What's with your tongue? Huh? Keep sticking that tongue out. Hi, buddy. Hi, Caden. Hi. You're talkative and you got the tongue going. Hmm? Oh, maybe you want to eat something. It's not dinner time. You already ate. Hey, Caden. Caden. Caden, over here. Hi. We're going to say goodbye to the camera now. Say bye-bye. Say goodbye. Huh? You looking at the camera? Night-night. You like staring at all the walls and the pretty colors?
That's it. I'm getting cigarettes.